My earliest memories of Hwa Chong was, of course, our many moves from one premise to another, from NJC to SU in those days, and then back to our current location. Right? I think of the human chains that were formed in order to shift furniture from one place to another. I also recall vividly our makeshift canteen in our inner plaza, especially the roti prata stall. I also recall the worm dance that we always perform at the end of a night function, and everyone would be in a long chain snaking up and down the building, and it certainly is the predecessor to our current mass dance sessions. Teaching GP has actually been a very, very interesting and challenging experience. Right? One is actually given an open slate, and you try very hard to play the devil's advocate, encouraging, stimulating the students to try to think laterally, and then to grow in their analytic powers, okay, in deciphering, understanding any world problems. I had grown along with the students in trying to understand perhaps the world better and to analyze the problems better. Okay? It has been the most enriching experience. I spent 14 years being the teacher advisor to the Students' Council. It had been a most enriching experience being able to nurture and to draw out the potential of these student leaders. I can understand now why we sing with gusto, I think, all the school songs like 唱一首华中的歌, and then the mass dance that we must perform at all our functions. And I can understand why the counselors cry when it rains on orientation or on mid-autumn, and because they cannot use the starch they have made or the water bombs they have spent hours making the night before. Okay? To the counselors all these years, thank you for the memories and for making life so very memorable.